Can you let me know if you can hear me okay? I've had to like change to a different mic input, so it might sound echoey because I don't think I've got any of the like settings that I put on, unfortunately, but I really could not get it to work for some reason. Why is London High getting taken before the open? Can we just not? Can we just not? I'm trying to trade here. Bro. We can hear you. Okay, great. Good to know. Good to know. Okay, we're gonna make a little 5-minute gap, so let's just do that. We've inverted that gap, which is good to know. How's it going? It's going okay, thanks. I've literally just come back from Manchester, so yeah, I was in such a rush getting here, but we're here now. We're here and ready to rock and roll. Hopefully we don't take London High on the open, because that would just not be ideal whatsoever. Preferably not, but who knows? Definitely bullish going into the open, not looking for shorts unless we have some sort of shift in structure right now. I think if we can get an entry to London High, previous daily high, that would be amazing. But if not, if price just kind of tanks there before the open, which it potentially could, then I'll potentially look for some sort of SMT with ES, because ES is lagging behind a bit. That pancake, oh my gosh, the pancakes that I had were absolutely huge. Like, they brought 3 huge pancakes out and I didn't even finish one of them. Like, they were just ridiculous. I felt mean as well because they were actually really nice, and like the state of my plate looked like I didn't enjoy my food, but I did. But it was just way too much. It was way too much for me. Okay, we're tapping into that 5-minute bullish fair value gap now. So hopefully we can get some sort of fair value gap which we can wait to be inverted. That's the vibe I'm going for right here. If we invert that 5-minute gap on the open, then I'm gonna wait a little while. Price is a little bit funky right now. Like, I'm a little bit scared to trade today. Definitely Monday, Tuesday next week, I'm going to be trading my evals because like price at the moment is getting a bit scary, getting towards Christmas. Like, December price action is just not really the vibe. Like yesterday, even though the first trade I took on my eval like was my bad, but the second trade, I had so many people replying to me saying that they took the same trade and they just got absolutely like manipulated out, which is which is sad. At least we were all in the same boat, I guess. We've got some bullish SMT on the 1-minute chart, so if that can hold, that would be nice. Maybe make a 1-minute gap, wait for that to be inverted, and then target previous daily high. That could be nice if we can get like a nice-ish entry. Latest entry I would want to get is like here. I'm on MNQ, which is good. Have you got any new people with extra entries for today about the Discord giveaway? So I haven't really checked my Discord or my Instagram DMs, so before we do the giveaway, please just remind me to double check. I don't think we've had any, but I've not really been on socials last night. So, yeah. Not 100% certain. Let's see if we even respect this bearish fair value gap, because yes, we are not really doing so. You better cry. And mark out like these lows here because we've got like relative equal lows there, which could be a nice target if we're shorting, as well as Asia low is still left intact as well. I'm gonna add a poll. Let's see what everyone's feeling this morning in terms of bias. I am doing a giveaway today, by the way, but just not yet. Look like we're gonna come and snatch these equal lows on ES, actually. Interesting. I am just gonna mark those out because they are very clean target if we do invert that 5-minute gap. I think if we're bearish, I would want us to invert the gap on both NQ and ES. Yeah, see. Yeah, as Alan said in the chat, the Discord is linked. It's completely free. So if you want to come join us, that would be cool. It's a very nice community in there. It's very nice. I high-key want to enter if we invert that gap, but entering before the open is just not the vibe, so I'm not going to do that. But it is a nice, clean entry. I'll be honest. Little one-to-one. For a little one-to-one. You better watch out. Better not cry. Okay, we didn't invert it anyway. So. Yeah. That is actually crazy. I think if we invert it on this candle, I don't know. I don't know whether to enter if we invert it on this candle because there is a big chance that I could get wicked out at the open, but that is a huge wick on the 5 minute that if price is bullish, I don't think it's going to go through. So I think if we do invert on this candle, I'll enter with just two micros because I am pretty close to blowing this funded on my 50k, so I'm being careful. Being super careful. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to do market buy if we do invert this gappy gap. Oh, we did not. Okay. I shall wait then. Don't just do that. That's so annoying. That is so annoying. Don't just go to my target. You absolute delinquent. Okay, that's London High taken out. Annoyingly. I think there's no reason why we wouldn't come to previous daily high, but I'm not going to get involved in that. I'm going to wait for something else because, yeah. Wow, that's high key so sad. If we had inverted that gap, I would have entered, but we did not. So that's that trade idea out the window. Okay, I think if we're going to continue higher, we're going to come to these equal highs up here. Those are a very nice target for us. But we do have SMT with ES right now, so I'm going to keep that in mind. There's not like any huge bearish PD arrays that we're inside of right now, I don't think. Okay, we're in like a 15-minute gap on ES, but yeah, damn, that was really annoying. That was really annoying. I don't know why it's playing like that. To be fair, ES did actually invert the gap, but NQ just didn't. But I would have taken the entry on NQ because NQ is more bullish, so that's okay. We'll find something else, I'm sure. I think now is a case of waiting until we get some sort of confirmation of what we're doing. Because right now, I don't know whether we're going to continue up to these highs or what. Looks like we're going to. There's not really much in the way to stop us. To be fair, there's like that 15-minute gap up here, which could potentially turn stuff around, but that's about it really. What have we got on? These highs I've marked out, what even are these? Okay. Ah, so it's those highs on ES. I don't think ES is gonna get there. I'd be shocked. Maybe it will. Maybe it's the like December rally that everyone was on about. Okay, let's see what's going on. Not interested in getting into any buys until I'm like sure that we're going up there. Just now. I think staying patient today is definitely the key. Definitely the key for today. These highs do look very, 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 very appealing, I'll be honest. They do look very appealing. But we'll just have to see what price wants to do here. We still have SMT at previous daily high, so yeah. ES is reacting out of this 15-minute gap, so I think the best call of action here is to wait for ES and see whether it can invert this 15-minute gap. And I think if it does, then it's going to come to previous daily high, and then we can be pretty positive for longs on either, to be fair. I think probably longing NQ is the smarter option, as it is stronger. But they both have like strong bullish targets, to be fair. So I think if we invert this gap, will be good to continue higher. But if we don't, then potentially looking for some sort of confluence for shorts. Why don't you trade Dow Jones? Sometimes I'll like look at it for confluence, but I just like trading NQ and ES, keeping it super simple. I think when you throw too many assets in there, like there was a point in time like a month ago where I was looking at like gold futures, silver futures, YM, RTY, all sorts. And like they do move nice, but I feel like it's just easier sticking to like two things or one thing to start with. Like that's something that I'll probably like throw in further down the line. Because then it means that you can obviously find more trading setups. But I think for now I'm just happy keeping it simple, sticking to like what I know until I can like gain some more consistency. You learned from yesterday, I see. Yeah, from yesterday. I learned a lot from yesterday's trading. I journaled a lot on that, and I've realized that FOMO is definitely like my biggest enemy when it comes to trading. FOMO is the psychological barrier. Like if there's ever a reason why I enter a trade for the wrong reasons, it's always FOMO. It's always like fearing missing out on the move, missing out on the draw. Because like 90% of the time, you know, it's not hard to find the draw on liquidity. I feel like everyone can find the draw on liquidity. So it's like, it's getting rid of that fear that, okay, if you miss this trade to this draw, that's fine. You can just find the next draw, you know, like it's hard to clock that because it's always, oh, what if I entered, then I'd be up this much on my funded account. It's hard not to think in like dollar amounts and just like trusting the process. So I'm trying to get better at that. But yeah. Do you consider fundamentals when trading? So I'll look at the economic calendar when trading and see, like, I only really consider red folder news, so like high impact news, because that's gonna have like a spur of volatility into the market. So like I won't trade through red folder news. That's just like a rule, because like it's easy to get wicked out. I do actually want to look whether we have any news today. That's a good point. We don't. Okay. So obviously news can bring like that spur of volatility and you can get wicked out of trade. So like if I am in a position when high impact news is taking place, I will make sure I'm at break even at that point. Like usually I won't trade, like I won't be in a position like if we're like 15, 20 minutes beforehand, like I'll wait till after, because that injects volatility into the market and then there's usually nicer moves post high impact news anyway. See what the lower time frame is doing right now. I think if we respect this bearish fair value gap, then I will wait for some sort of like lower time frame gap to get inversed and look for a lower time frame change in the state of delivery, and then like target these relative equal lows in Asia low. I think that's a smart move here. We do have that bearish SMT, and ES is respecting that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. There doesn't seem to be any bearish PDRA in terms of fair value gap on NQ, but we do have this order block here, which if I just draw out the 0.5 level. I know. Yeah, look at that. Look at the top of that order block. The NQ is literally just like touched. That's very clean actually. If we do reverse right now. Very clean. Is that the 0.5 of this one? No. I feel like Trump's tweets should be listed as red folder news. Honestly, yeah. For real. They bring more volatility than any news event anyway, to be honest. They actually do. What happened to your voice, Claudia? I feel like I feel like I've got less energy than usual, so I'm speaking quieter so it sounds deeper. Like, I am fine. I think I'm quite dehydrated because I've been running around all morning and I had those pancakes. And I've got like this much water to last me through the stream because I was rushing so much. I've got a lot less energy today. I've had a long morning in Manchester with Hannah. We went into Manchester and did some shopping, and we were in flannels. I kept Hannah and dragged her around flannels for probably getting on for 2 hours, and that's why she's not speaking to me right now.
I'm fuming.
She's fuming. She's fuming. So yeah, bit tired.
Season to be jolly.
La 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 la. There was loads of carol singers in Manchester. It was very nice. They were all like jumping around. Seems like a hangover. No, I'm not hungover. Not. I actually slept quite well last night.
I'd be hungover tomorrow though.
Yeah, I'm gonna be hungover tomorrow. Oh, Christmas time just like forces me to drink because there's always so many things going on. I feel like there's just so many events where like you're expected to drink. Fair value gap on ES 1 minute. So right now I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close, and I'm just wanting to see how ES reacts to this bearish fair value gap, because we have a bearish SMT. So if we respect this bearish fair value gap, then I am gonna flip my bias and potentially look for a position to enter shorts. Obviously not straight away. Like if something presents, then I will on lower time frame conditions. But yeah, that's what I'm waiting for right now. Being patient for once. Being patient for once in my life. For once in my life. For once in my life. Hannah, are you feeling jolly?
Feeling.
You have to speak quite loud, otherwise I probably won't hear you.
I'm feeling jolly.
Okay. She's feeling jolly.
Don't know if they heard that.
Yeah, I reckon they probably did, yeah. Look like we are going to invert this, which is nice. Which is nice. We had 2-minute inversion for the value gap.
What's your main use of the 2 min?
Pardon?
Use of the 2 min.
I just use it like for extra confluence, really. Like I don't have specific time frames that I'll use for an entry. Like I'll use the 15-minute a lot to like see if we've inverted fair value gaps or anything. But then I'll just like check. Like I would check the 4 as well, but you can't on Project X. Like I'll just check all of them and see what they look like.
True.
Very true, kitten. Oh, wow. We are tanking higher. Tanking higher. Please don't take out those highs before closing this 15-minute candle. Like, that would actually just piss me off, and I'll just turn my computer off and go to bed at that point. What did you do before becoming a trader? As an engineer, an electromechanical engineer. What song are we brain rotting today? Honestly, I've got no energy. I'm very calm today. No, don't take those highs. Oh my gosh, it's just taking those highs. Are we being so serious? Why does NQ not want me to enter today?
If I was paying attention.
Okay.
Would have only been.
Oh, that is so annoying. So annoying.
Why are we absolutely tanking it to the moon? Like, what is going on?
NQ to the moon, honestly.
No.
What is going on in the House of Commons right now?
Bro.
Bruv.
Well, the next high to take then.
I think we see how we react off this hourly fair value gap and go from there at this point. Let's see what the 4 hourly looks like. Okay. Oh, gosh. How annoying is that? This is just going to have to be a game of patience now. I need to wait and see what price wants to do, whether ES wants to come up and take those highs as well, or whether we're going to stick that SMT in reverse off this bearish fair value gap. I don't know. We'll see in this next 15-minute candle, but if this inverts this bullish fair value gap on NQ, then I'd want to come to this high right there for sure. Where's 0.5 of this gap? Slightly below, so yeah. Probably aim for 0.5 of that work, I think. Average Friday PA. Yeah. Why nursery rhymes are played in haunted movies? Honestly, I don't know. A good point. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that one. I really don't. Honestly, ES is high key coming to those highs, but I'm not just entering off nothing. I think I'm gonna wait for this next 15-minute candle, unfortunately. This is so sad. Just full ported longs. For real. Let's zoom out. That high on NQ has got to be the final like target for this.
That's what I was thinking.
For this upward cycle, because there's no way it's coming up here today. Like, that's actually a joke. Like, that is how many handles away? We're at 5-3. Like, that's like 500 handles away. There's no way. Tell us more about what you did before trading, please. Engineering was quite brief. Well, I did electromechanical engineering, so it's electrical engineering and mechanical engineering combined. So I was doing a degree apprenticeship, which is something you can do in the UK, where you basically get paid to like work full time, like you get paid a full-time salary, and then they pay for you to do your degree part-time. So I was doing a part-time electromechanical engineering degree while working full-time as an engineer. So yeah, pretty lit. I did enjoy it, but like nowhere near as much as trading. Like once I've made it with trading, that's gonna be the vibe. Gonna be the absolute vibe. Okay, if we can get a closure above here on this candle, that means we would have a 4-hour change in the state of delivery as well as a 1-hour inversion. So then I'd be pretty confident we're coming up to this high. But if we do not have that, then I would not want to buy.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Alan, what am I giving away today? Can you please check the announcement that I sent out on my Discord like a few days ago with the prizes? Because I honestly don't even know what I'm giving away today. This is how unprepared I am right now. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Oh, I need to put my Christmas hat on. Here you go. This is such shit PA, like no opportunity to enter, like just not being kind at all. Please be kind, I'm on the final ropes of this funded account. 100k standard, okay, got it. So today we're giving away a 100k standard. If you have used my code Claudia in all caps at Alpha Futures over the last week, please DM me on Discord or Instagram so I can add you 10 extra entries. If you have not DM'd me yet, then I will not be able to add your extra entries into the giveaway. Let me check if anyone has DM'd me while we're waiting. And then after that, your Discord only giveaway. Oh yes, I've got my Discord only giveaway as well today. Thank you for reminding me of that. I would have completely forgot. Oh! Okay. Someone has used my code twice. Oh, wait. Used your code for... Okay. Okay. Let me just send you someone's name on Discord, Alan, to add them 10 extra entries today. Because they have used my code. Jake Keller and entries. There we go. $10 minutes before the hourly candle closure, the 4-hourly candle closure, and the 15-minute candle closure, so we can see Wagwan then. Yeah, neither. We can just sit and chill and vibe. I'm so unbelievably hungry, but I refuse to eat a sandwich on stream. I refuse to do it. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry, but I'm not doing that. It's the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah, you've got it stuck in my head now. Oh! I'm so tired. This stream has no energy.
It's because more energy, more passion.
Because I'm so hungry. Are you hungry? Yeah, I'm starving.
The thing is, I'm considering running to Boots, but like...
You got 10 minutes.
No. Where are your keys?
Sir, but I can just buzz you in. Yeah. Oh no, just take the keys actually, that'd be easier.
What is it?
The blue one. Yeah.
Alright, do you want it then?
Can you get me one of these, please?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, thanks. They're all waiting for the giveaway. Yeah. Oh, in the Discord they're waiting for the giveaway. Should we check the Discord while we're waiting around? See what everyone's saying. Oh no. We good. I want to check if anyone has sent me extra entries that I've missed. No, we're good. We're good, I think. We're all good in the hood. Yo, Claudia, how are you? I'm okay, thank you. How are you? I'm okay. Like, I've missed, like, 2 good entries. Well, I haven't. Like, price has just tanked to, like, all my draws on liquidity right now without offering me any single ounce of entry. So that's fun. So that's super fun. Very unfortunate, but it is what it is, I suppose. It is what it is. This is going to be such a huge waiting game. If we don't invert this hourly gap and have that 4-hour change in the state of delivery, because I'm going to have to wait for like this 15-minute gap to be inverse before considering shorts. So it might even be a PM session job on that, because I feel like it's going to chop around inside of that a lot, which is kind of sad. Kind of sad, but it is what it is. We got to stay patient. We got to stay patient. Don't worry, Claudia, focus on Christmas. Next year will be better. Yeah, for real. Next year will be my year I get a payout, which is so exciting. Like 100% will. There's no way I'm giving up. I know I've got it in 2026. 2025, I achieved the one goal that I wanted, which was to get funded. Like, I have to keep reminding myself that I only started trading this year. Like, I feel like I'm in such a rush to like get payouts and be consistent and stuff, but I literally only started like actually trading this year. Like I was studying ICT and stuff the year before, but I've only actually like I placed my first trade this year. Like I have to be kind and considerate to myself on that. You know, I'm in no rush. Is your sidekick there? She is like around. She's just gone to the shop to buy some lunch, but she'll be here in a couple of minutes. She'll be back. We've not even eaten lunch yet, and it's currently 5 to 3 o'clock here. I did have a big breakfast though. If you've seen my Instagram story, you'll see it. I've had a big ass breakfast today. Way too big. Couldn't finish it. I don't know whether to put an announcement on my Instagram story right now saying that we're live. I feel like no one joins from that anyway. You know? The season to be jolly, la 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 la. Mukbang stream. Honestly, no, like I am not eating on here. I actually refuse to eat on stream. I don't know why, that just irks me out. I'm not doing it. I'm not like sitting here eating a sandwich. That I'm like, no. Whereabouts are we in the grand scheme of this fair? If we close below the consequent encroachment as well, then I am pretty certain we're turning bullish. But it's like, I would have to wait for price to invert this 15-minute to even want to enter that. So we might be here a while unless price is still speeding through, which hopefully it will, but maybe not. Maybe not. I did join you from your Instagram. Oh, you did? Okay, maybe I should put an announcement then. Okay, you've convinced me. You've convinced me. I'll put a little announcement. Let me just get the link off YouTube and add it to my Instagram story. Link. Here we go. Just take a nice picture. Live for Trademas. Trademas Day 3. Giving away a 100k standard today on stream. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Let me just. Oh, no. I wanna. Oh, give me one sec, guys. I got to buzz Hannah Trades in. There we go. She can come in now. Let me take this off. It's actually very annoying. Okay, I want to put this. Oh no. I'm trying to like I'm trying to put certain bits of the writing in pink because it looks cute. Okay, select. Oh my god, right, I can't be bothered. Got 2 fat fingers apparently for that. All right, effing and jeffing.
Really overstimulating at the door.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Right.
What did you get? Give us a mukbang.
Got some crisps. McCoy is a bit different.
McCoy's.
They didn't have any sort of sandwiches, so I got a bacon.
That's what I've
Caesar.
eaten like every day this week.
So yeah, and then I got a Coke Zero. I wanted a coffee, but then I thought I've already had a fucking matcha. I've already had a matcha
Yeah.
and a coffee.
Mm-hmm.
So tired, and I don't know.
Yeah. What's up, Claudia? Honestly, if ES takes these highs, right, but NQ doesn't invert this fair value gap, so we've not got bearish SMT, honestly might just go on Minecraft, because I'm not forcing something that's not there. I'll be real. I'll have to wait until this is inverted anyway, you know? What's up, Claudia? What's up? Hey guys, welcome to the stream. Missed like 2 trades because Nasdaq has offered me no entry whatsoever, so I'm just waiting for this hourly candle to close and then we'll decide what's going on. Oh my gosh, ES is going to take those highs. I know it. I mean, I think we do technically still have a bearish SMT, to be fair. I think I'm just going to have to wait. So, okay, it's actually not taken that yet. What it is about to, I feel. Looks like we're not going to invert this hourly gap or have a 4-hour change in the state of delivery, so I'm no longer looking for buys. I'm more looking for shorts, but I'm going to have to wait for that to be inverted. So it's just going to be a waiting game today. And we may just chop around and not really do very much, and if that is the case, then I think the main move, like to take these lows, would be in PM session if it does what I want it to do. So yeah. Hey, am I late? No, you're not late. Nothing's really happened. I wanted to originally, like on the open, I wanted to take where's the open? Here. So on the open, I wanted to take this like if that inverted on the open, I was gonna take a long up to previous daily high, but we literally, like, it didn't give me chance. Like, we just headed higher. Like, it didn't invert on that candle, and then we just headed higher already to London high. So yeah, like my stop loss would have been all the way down here, targeting previous daily high, which is here. Like, it just wasn't ideal. So yeah. Oh well, you got to follow the model. That's what's important, I guess. Okay. I just want to see. Just wanna be your girl. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of annoying. And if you ever know, you know, gonna be. I'm trying to see if we actually have put in any SMT just right now. Not really. Like, yeah, we still look bullish, but we just didn't invert that gap, and I just don't like that. I just feel like it's not going to be very clean up to there. So I'm not getting involved. I'm not getting involved. Any giveaways in the stream? Yes, there is gonna be a giveaway in the stream. There's going to be a giveaway a little bit later on. The likelihood is at this point that I'm not going to find an entry in this, to be honest. Which is annoying. But it is what it is. Some days will be good, some days will be bad. That is just the way it is. And yesterday was a bad day, and today is just neutral because we've not found any trade. Not found any trade. We've not found any trade. Izzy took the trade that I wanted.
Oh, she did.
Izzy makes me sad.
Mm-hmm.
Izzy makes me very sad. Ooh, yeah, Izzy is an absolutely insane trader. Absolutely fucking insane. We are just like not really doing anything. We're kind of stalled now. Kind of stalled. Claudia, I just blew a 100k account. Is that a funded account or an eval? Don't worry about it. You can start fresh in the new year, come back stronger, work on your psychology over Christmas. Really like what I've been trying to do in my journal is obviously I'm journaling like, yeah, I FOMO'd into this, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I've done that quite a few times. Me journaling about it, yeah, I'm identifying the issue, but I'm actually not helping the issue in any way. So what I've been trying to do is I've been trying to write like, okay, what lesson have I learned from this trade? What action can I take to improve from whatever caused me to take the loss? So I'd highly recommend doing that. An eval. Oh, you only blew an eval. That's okay. You gotta blow evals in the prop firm space. It happens. Who won Tradesmas today? I haven't announced that yet. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. What's the process? I know it's annoying, but I need that account. That 50k will change my life. I can pay my study loan. Okay, so I want to make it clear that me giving away a 50k evaluation is not the equivalent of $50,000. I want to make that very, very clear. It's about the equivalent of like $200, if that. A 50k account means a 50k evaluation with Alpha Futures. So you will get. Few people are asking what the difference between an eval and a funded is. So an evaluation is what you pay to take. So with a prop firm like Alpha Futures, Top Step, Apex, whatever, you pay to take a trading evaluation and you basically get given a demo account. You have to trade the demo account and make a certain percentage on it and stick within certain risk management rules. And if you manage to make that percentage on the account while sticking with the rules that they specify, you are then a funded trader and they then switch you to a funded account. Now, the funded account is no different from the evaluation account. It will look no different. It's the exact same, but your account is just reset. You can't withdraw the money from your funded account. It's just simulated capital. But whatever profits you make on that account, you can take payouts and you will keep a percentage of the money. So usually the payout split is like you keep between 70 and 90% with most firms. Good morning, Claudia. Good morning. So that's the difference between eval and funded. I hope that makes sense. Oh, this is so boring. This is so boring. This is so boring. This is so boring. Na, na, na. Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold and often to my bones? It feels like I don't know you anymore. So eval, you keep 100% profit. No, you don't keep any of the profit that you make on your evaluation. Your evaluation is literally like, treat it like an exam. It's like an exam, and if you pass, then you get funded and you get the opportunity to make money from trading. It's basically a way round from having to use your own capital for trading. Obviously you have to pay for the evaluation, but paying $100 for an evaluation is a lot cheaper than having to save, you know, 1, 2, 5 grand to trade with your own live capital. It's just a way to access more capital to trade with. Obviously you can't withdraw that capital, but you can make the sorts of percentages that you would make if you had that much money. But on a real one, how do I enter the giveaway? I'm going to be doing the giveaway in a little bit, so please be patient. I'm just trying to trade right now. I'm just trying to trade. This price action is so unbelievably bad. So bad. So bad. It's so bad. So bad. It's so bad. How do these people not understand? Like, I get not knowing because they are new, but you explained it pretty well. Honestly, I don't see the difference between funded and eval. The actual accounts are the same. They'll look the same. You treat them the same. But an eval, you can't make any money on. And when you're funded, you can. That's the only difference. Yeah, an eval turns into a funded once you pass. This is just so shit.
Yeah, she's with Tory Trades right now. That's me.
You know Tory Trade, your friend? I don't know Tory. Well, I know who she is. She's not my friend though. I've got like the BTEC Tory Trades sat here.
BTEC, I'll take it.
Funded also has phases. No, the funded account does not have any phases, but it does have rules that you have to stick to. And if you break the rules, then you blow the funded account and you have to start the process again. So you have to purchase another evaluation, do the whole process again, and then get funded. Good luck for the session. This is your last trading day of the year. So I am going to be trading Monday, Tuesday. I'm just going to be trading evals, like having a bit of fun really, because I'm continuing Trademas on those 2 days. Like I'm still giving away evals, but it's just going to be like more of a chilled stream. Like this is my last day trading my funded account 100%. I feel like next week is just going to be ass. No, question mark, exclamation mark. Have you done funded accounts? Yeah, I have. I'm on a funded account right now. It does, guys. Come on. I promise you, your funded account does not have any phases. It's just one account. But it feels like I don't know you anymore. Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold and often to my bones? Feels like I don't know you anymore. I feel like this guy's actually just rage baiting.
Yes. He's being sarcastic. Naughty.
Naughty, naughty. I think you guys are confusing funded account with instant funded. No, I'm not. The evaluation has phases, yeah, but the funded account doesn't have phases. That's why I was talking about the difference between an evaluation and a funded account. We're just like gonna take 4 million hours to invert this gap, realistically, aren't we? Yeah. Are you trading the 2 days market is open next week or just taking the time off till after New Year's? So Monday, Tuesday next week, I'm fairly sure is when the markets are open. Let me just check. Yeah, so Monday, Tuesday, we're fine. I'm going to trade Monday, Tuesday, but only on evaluations, not on my funded account. But I'm just going to like kind of chill. I probably won't take any trades unless something like super clean presents, because I can imagine price action next week is going to be really bad. But I am going to be like live but probably not take any trades. I'm just going to be giving away evals and having a great Christmassy time. Do you live trade daily from this year? So at the moment, I'm live trading daily. Like, I'm doing the 5 days of Trademas where I'm giving away evaluations and stuff. I'm probably not going to live trade daily from January. I'm going to do it like 2-3 times a week and see how I get on, just because I do feel like live trading does affect my trading. I feel like it puts more pressure on, and because I'm not consistent yet, like, I want to prioritize my own trading. So I think until I'm consistent, I won't go every day, but I'll do a couple of days because it is fun. And it like helps build my channel and stuff, and it's nice to interact with you guys and do giveaways and stuff. So how long do you usually trade for? Usually I'll look at the charts like from 9:15 until 11. Like, I will take a trade through lunch if like New York AM has just chopped around, but I'll usually just look from 9:15 till 11. But if I've taken a trade at like, 9:35, then I'm usually like one trade and done. Did you took a trade? No, I've not taken anything yet. I wanted to take longs at the open, but it already just like tanked to my draw on liquidity without offering me an entry, so. So are you guys saying I buy a CFD prop account from Funded Next? The first 2 phases are eval, then when I pass these phases, I then get funded. Yes, that is what I'm saying. By the way, what's your RR and win rate? I don't know what my win rate is because I'm not consistent yet, so probably not very high. My risk to reward, like, I'll just target anything over 1-to-1. Like, I'm happy with a 1-to-1 trade, but I'll just target what I think. Usually I'll target like 1-to-1 and then maybe leave like a runner to a further target and trail my stop. But yeah. You watched 2022 mentorship, right? Yeah, I did. I watched it quite a while ago, but I have watched it. Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold? To my bones, feels like I don't know you anymore. I caught longs to 4-hour highs. Nice, well done. How's everyone's week been? What Christmas activities has everyone done? Is everyone in the Christmas spirit or not? I feel like I'm not in the Christmas spirit yet. Feels like because I'm like still working, kind of, like on and off, like not like 8 hours a day, but I'm still doing bits here and there, so I don't feel super Christmassy right now, but yeah. It's so choppy. Draw on liquidity has been taken. Loki wouldn't want to take anything anymore. I'm not looking for anything unless we invert this 15-minute fair value gap. Then I would look for shorts, but honestly, it doesn't look like we're going to do that anytime soon. So. Too early? What do you mean too early, Alan? We're 6 days away from Christmas. Watch Christmas movies that will help you be in the spirit. Yeah, I highly need to. I need to watch Home Alone and stuff. I love Home Alone. And like Elf. I love Elf. What? Fuck's sake. I'm looking for shorts but waiting. Yeah. For sure, I'm definitely not shorting into that 15-minute gap. I don't fancy that, and I don't fancy being in any sort of position right now because we are just chopping around. Fair enough.
I'm not doing it.
Best of luck on the trades. Thank you so much. Polar Express. Honestly, me and my mum tried to watch Polar Express last year. Have you ever seen it?
It's boring as hell.
It's so bad. Like, everyone had bigged it up and we were so looking forward to watching it. We thought it would be like really cute, like children's film. It was so bad. Like, it's like the worst film I've ever seen. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what the hype is about. I really did not rate it at all. I'm gonna be so for real. What's this chart? What's it doing? What is it doing? Baby, tell me, how did you get so... Oh, okay. Bro. Just trying to trade, bro. Yeah, it's the one with the train. Maybe I watched the wrong one, but I just thought it was really bad, if I'm being honest. What you are gifting yourself for this Christmas? So I've actually just been to Flannels because I had a Flannels gift card. And I bought... Oh, I wish I had my bag with me. I've literally just been, so I could have given you a haul, but I bought some, were they specials?
Yeah.
Yeah, like Adidas specials. I bought some pink ones. And I bought a Diesel, like, t-shirt, like crop t-shirt. And I bought, what else did I buy? Oh, a Couture Club, like, knit jumper. Watched Game of Thrones before? No, I haven't. I was gonna read it. Is Game of Thrones the one that's after The Hobbit? Because I read The Hobbit, like, thinking I was gonna read the Game of Thrones as well. But I didn't really like Hobbit was okay, but it was kind of shit. So I was like, no, I'm not like putting myself through this whole last series when I didn't even think that was that good. Your accent is fun to listen to. I don't know whether that is a compliment or not. Or an insult. Full port, Claudia, full port. Honestly, full porting this is not going to get me very far. I think I'd struggle to even blow an account in this. Oh, yeah, that's Lord of the Rings. Yeah, you are so correct. Okay, never mind. I take that back. Can we please see Hannah she a baddie for real? Come on, Hannah.
You can probably see me. You can see me there.
Can you? Oh yeah, you literally can see Hannah. Your accent is lovely. Thank you.
They probably just see me like this on my phone playing
8-ball. She's playing 8-ball. Game of Thrones is something totally different. Okay, someone give me like the basic rundown of what the plot is in Game of Thrones and I'll consider it. I'll probably read it though. Does Game of Thrones have books? Because I'm not really into films, but I'll read it.
Is that what in the book?
Can you say Harry Potter in your accent? There you go. Harry Potter.
Oh my god.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Good God, man.
You're a wizard, Harry. You didn't know you're a wizard? Who likes my... What? Okay, guys. What videos do you want to see from me and Hannah? Like, what do you think will get the most views from me and Hannah? And don't say something ridiculous, please. Otherwise, Alan will ban you. Alan will ban you faster than you can say fragilistic expialo, whatever the word is. Someone's already said it.
Yo, it's the Hyperman set. Ooh, it's just... Honey? No. Shady. I thought that's...
It's just Haney. Oh, it's just Shaney. Yeah, I read that wrong as well. Make vidwos on Fortnite.
I used it. Love a bit of Fortnite. Minecraft, I was
Yeah, I've never really played... Oh, Jesus. I've never really played Fortnite, but I played a goddamn lot of Minecraft, let me tell you that. I'll tell you that for free, love.
Is this working yet?
Yeah, it's working. I've just had to change it. Oh, looks like we're going down a little bit. All right. Yes, Claudia, Fortnite duos. I don't know how to play Fortnite. I feel like I would like Fortnite. I feel like if you like Minecraft, you like Fortnite, or is that not a common correlation?
Bow bow.
Sorry, Bao, you know nothing about GOT. What's GOT?
Game of Thrones, maybe.
Oh. What's harder, catching NASDAQ tops or finding someone who understands trading live? Honestly, catching NASDAQ tops because I've found Hannah Trades.
Yeah, real.
Hannah Trades is goated. Hannah Trades is the real goal. Honestly, we're not going to invert this. We'll get anywhere. And then if we get to 11 o'clock, then we've got an hourly fair value gap to worry about. So then we're talking PM session vibes. Honestly, I want to trade PM session, but we're going out. I honestly might at home. Because this would be clean once this inverts to target these lows and age low.
With Minecraft and Fortnite.
Who's Hannah Trades? This is Hannah Trades. Go give her a follow. Drop her a follow. Honestly, I think you and Hannah could react to some trading content and then post it. That's such a good idea.
Wow.
Like Big Daddy Max.
Wow, Alan.
That is such a good
God.
idea, Alan.
Promoted
You promoted.
to content manager.
Yeah, content manager. New promotion unlocked. Are you married?
She's
no,
married
I'm
to
not
me.
married.
Yes, you are.
Sorry, I forgot. I'm just waiting for my ring.
Yeah, you got it.
Where is it? Where's
Why
my...
have you got the wrong finger? You've changed it. You cheat.
Drop a link. Drop a link to what?
Hannah.trades with an extra S on.
What, is that what your Instagram is?
Yeah, there's someone stole Hannah.trades with.
Who the hell has stole Hannah.trades with one S?
I
There's
don't
no
know,
way.
It's like it's someone who doesn't even trade. Like it's
Really?
just it's like a Chinese lady's account. I'll show you it.
Big Daddy acts like he knows too much. We should honestly do that.
Yeah.
Guys, put some things in the comments that me and Hannah should react to. Oh, Alan's put your Instagram in the chat.
Alan is actually the GOAT.
Yes. He is the GOAT. He's the GOAT of all goats. Everyone give Hannah a follow. Drop a follow from my guy, Hannah Trades. She's the next Tory, promise.
But
Square Brown. Square Brown.
Can I try your kiwi juice?
Kiwi juice. It's not quite kiwi juice, love.
Just about.
Just about. Big Daddy Max strat is ORB strategy. Like, that's so basic. Yeah, I've heard of that, but I honestly have no idea what it is. I'm going to be honest.
Not a fan of kiwi.
Well, you do like it?
Not really.
So nice. Just followed her TikTok.
Woo-hoo.
Come on. Oh my god, Claudia, I'm in the shorts. Up 222. Slay, girl. Slay, girl.
I'm not even on anymore, but now that's like, oh, I can feel FOMO. But
We have nowhere near inverted that gap yet. Don't worry.
break even now. Okay, no more FOMO for me. What's good, life?
W. Isn't it opening range breakout? Oh, potentially. Do you have Telegram group? I don't, but I have a Discord community which is pinned in the chat from Alan. So feel free to join. It's completely free.
I'm not a girl. Sorry, boy.
You're not a girl. I'm a girl. I'm going to put my elf thing on. We got to get in the Christmas spirit. See, I would put Christmas music on, but apparently I'll get copyrighted, so I don't think I can. So I literally figured out how to put music on so you guys can hear it. I literally figured that out the other day, and then I realised that I can't even put any good music on because I'll get copyrighted. So I asked ChatGPT whether I could even just put lo-fi on, and it said no, not from Spotify. And then it pointed me to the YouTube Studio like audio library, and it was honestly so bad. And I was like, you know what? I think they'd rather just listen to nothing than that.
It's literally worse than Claudia.
No, it's not worse than my singing. That's actually horrible. I'm actually not having that.
Just complimented you by saying it's worse than your singing.
Oh, okay. I think there's a compliment in there somewhere.
Somewhere. Twisted along the lines.
Is Hannah streaming? No, she's not. She's going to be streaming soon.
Once I've created my Discord, I'll probably do something there, but create my Discord.
Yeah, if anyone wants to help Hannah create a Discord, feel free. She's not going to pay you a dime, but...
But because you love me.
Because you love her.
And I'm a poor little...
She's a noob. She's a Discord noob. So am I, though. Literally, I'll say something in the chat. You know, the other day I was like, oh, why don't we add a funded trader role to the Discord? And Alan just replied to me and he was like, we've already got one of those. And I was like, oh, right. Alan runs the Discord. I'm just there for the vibes. Bro, a mini version of Tanya and Lumi now. Honestly, for real. Hope you are well, Claudia. I am well, thank you. Are you? Oh, damn, for free? Hell no. Aw, she's just a Discord noob. You've got to help her out. Do a good deed. Do some charity work.
I will figure it out myself, but I'm just being lazy.
For free ain't happening. Alan said he'll help out. I'm so hungry right now. Oh.
Well, I could pay someone if they do a good job of it. I don't really care. Long-term investment, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Hey, guys. Hey. Have a Santa dress in the live next time. It looks cool for you. Honestly.
Oh.
Maybe not. I don't think that's quite appropriate. Not quite the vibe I want to give off. I've got my elf hat. Is that not good enough for you? My elf hat not good enough for you?
Santa baby.
Slip a stable under the tree for me. Who's that? Who's buzzing me? Oh, my calendar.
I'm just putting.
Bro, you can't just put... You can't... What's that put in? Bro, what?
You know what? That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to create... Chat GPT. You know what? I asked ChatGPT and it lectured me. Like, it thought I was, like, creating a signal group. And it lectured the hell out of me.
Really?
Like, bro, chill.
Really?
Yeah. I just want something for me and my kittens. That's great.
What the hell? Unfortunately, cannot make this as a live streaming.
Oh,
Trading.
No, thank you. Right?
Blackpool. Why Blackpool? Rogue.
Lights.
Oh, I do like Blackpool lights. It's actually quite cute in the car.
Yeah, you don't get out.
No, me and my parents have actually done that. You know, we just
Yeah, we've
drove
done
there
that.
and we didn't get out of the car. We just drove around and then went home.
Yeah, we did that.
Yeah, it was a good time. While it
Stay
lasted.
warm. You don't have to venture in the cold.
Of course. We'll catch continuation longs potentially. But I'm not sure I want to do that. Don't know. I don't know. I like how it's respected that inversion gap though. That inversion gap. Tiny fair value gap right there. Got a 2-minute CISD.
Yeah, the lights are nice there, but just because it's so open, it's very cold.
Yeah. It is indeed. I do continuation longs. Should I do continuation longs or no? I don't really know whether to do that. Lit a sable under the tree for me. So hurry down the chimney tonight. How much risky risk would that be? That would be a lot. I could literally do 1 micro for that. That's absolutely crazy. I do 1 micro. Very low risk. Very low risk for the trade. 1 trade of the day. Flip a table under the tree for me. I want to just mark that out. ES looks slightly more.
Are you actually in
bullish.
this?
Yeah, I'm in the like risking $125. Oh shoot, we have a 5-minute gap. I did not see that 5-minute gap. Okay, wow, that's kind of cooked. Should have waited for that to get inverted.
Where's where?
Just here.
Oh, that's tiny.
If that doesn't get inverted, I will close the trade immediately because I don't like that. That is a condition for me, and I've broke my rules by accident. Silly Billy. Silly Billy. If that doesn't get inverted, we might be caught. We got 45 seconds. Please invert. 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 Please. Please. Please.
You go break even right there.
I'm not going to break even, you donut. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Yeah, I think we're fine.
Yeah.
I think we're okay.
You would have to like. Good. You're good.
Oh my gosh. What? Don't do that to me.
Nah.
I will actually close it immediately because that's just my conditions not even met.
Oh,
Okay, we did. We did. Okay, just fucking back. What's going on? Oh, we're back.
Oh, no, we're not.
We are.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, we are. We are, babes.
Respect your rules. It was an accident.
Respect your rules. It was an accident. I would have closed it if it didn't invert, and I would have lost like $10. It really wouldn't have been that deep.
The viewers are climbing. It's got that time of the day.
Guys, I wouldn't signal bot me, by the way. It's just not a good plan. From my track record, it's not a good idea. I promise. I promise. I promise. If I had more than 1 micro on, then I could high key target that high, but we'll see how we get along. Fake ass fans. I know there's so many fake people on here who are just here for the giveaway. Not even here for the vibes. Not even here for the Christmas cheer and the Christmas vibes, you know? Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, please, please. Let's reschedule the giveaway for next year. Honestly, at this point, yeah. We'll do the giveaway in like 5 minutes or something. Just want to see how this trade starts off. You know? These are 3 min right now. Okay, we've had 3-minute change in the state as well. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I think we'll go break even at this 3-minute high if we get up there. When we get up there, not if. Let's be confident in oneself. Accidentally had the stream 5-minute behind and took longs. Skipped to it live and you're in longs too. Let's go. Let's go. What's good, people? What's good? What's good, guys? What's good? To prove I'm fine. Oh, I high key want to do that low, not that low. I didn't even notice that swing low. Okay, we're literally not even risking $100. Okay, we'll risk 100 exactly.
Oh my.
Why?
No, I'm just playing this game.
You're playing 8-ball. She's actually playing 8-ball right next to me. People are only here for the giveaway. You're not here for my vibes and my trading ability. Maybe not the trading ability. That's fair enough. I'll let you off. I'll let you off for that one, love. Please, 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 please don't take 5 years to move. Please just go pew. NQ to the moon. NQ to the moon. Super low risk on this because we are overextended. Like, that's my one thing why this is an A+. Otherwise, it would be A+. I'm here for the giveaways. I'm kidding. You're not kidding, but it's okay. It's fair enough. It's Christmas. Here to give. Here to give to the people of the world. Liar, liar, pants on fire, hair sticking up like a telephone wire. Okay, Hannah. Okay, Queen. You don't think that is a little bit small trade, like it's a funded, so it's all about making your own capital? Yes, it is, but I'm lowering my size because we are overextended on NQ and I am longing when we're overextended, so I want to lower my size. If my setup is not A+, which like every other condition in here is A+, other than the fact we're overextended, then I want to lower my size. Please, please, please. The 5 minute look like. Okay, we did have a 5 minute CISD, so that's good as well. Okay, ES is way more bullish than NQ, which I did not realize, which is kind of annoying. Probably would have taken it on ES if I had clocked that, but that's okay. We'll definitely go break even if we have SMT. Definitely go break even if we have SMT. This is super slow. What are you laughing at?
Me finding myself really funny.
Why? What have you done that's funny?
People ask me at this point what like music I listen to.
Why? What have you said?
This time it's Russian drill.
Russian drill?
What do you mean? No, what's it? That is like Russian drum and
Russian drum and bass. Oh my gosh, I remember that. Russian drum and bass. Oh my gosh. Who was it that listened to that? Katie. One of our friends used to listen to Russian drum and bass. That's so funny. Do you guys expect Fed to cut rates next month, Claudia? Honestly, I have no idea. I don't know these things. I could not tell you, my friend.
give it to.
Who are you asking to listen to? Z-Dog. Okay, I like the wick out of that 3 minute gap. And a slight tap into that inversion, which is okay. I don't like the speed that we're going right now, though. But we are just kind of chopping around a little bit, which is kind of expected because of the movement that we had. But I'm gonna let it ride, nevertheless.
Never.
Never enough. If Christmas miracles exist, getting picked for this giveaway would prove it. Well, one guy does have 10 entries into this giveaway because he used my code.
So you're all cooked.
So you might be cooked. Where are you, Dubai? No, Nothing like Dubai. Complete opposite of Dubai. I'm in
One
the
day.
sunny UK.
One day we'll be there, trust.
Yeah, we will be there one day. You're so right. You're so right for that. Never, never, never enough. I wish I could see the 4-minute chart on Project X. I don't know why they've not done that yet. Absolutely ridiculous. Why are we speeding down towards my stop loss? Why would we do that? Why would we do that?
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. We're just high key way more bullish on ES right now.
Never enough for me.
Never, never. Do we have any 5-minute? Okay, we do have a 5-minute gap. We invert that. Chat, we might be cooked. Chat, we might be cooked.
Invert that. Let's head.
Oh my god, why are we just speeding? Why are we speeding? Stick to the speed limit, bitch. Stick to the speed limit, please.
For me.
I don't know what this line is. Let's get rid of that. I've got so many lines on my screen right now that it's just not even funny anymore. What is this line? Oh, that's those equal highs that I marked out ages ago. Ages ago. Never enough. Never, never, never enough. Never, never. Why is ES frozen? ES is just not moving. Oh, it's not frozen. I thought it was for a hot sec. I was like, what's going on? Never, never, never enough. Never, never. Please, Claudia, don't talk like that. What do you mean? What was I even saying? I actually don't even know what I said. I don't even know what I said. Yeah. Cooked. We are cooked. We are cooked. I'm very happy that I did low size on this.
Oh, did we invert that?
Oh. Yeah, we did. Why are you gonna short, you idiot?
Really thinking about
You idiot. You idiot.
Oh.
Yeah, now that we've inverted the 5, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna get stopped out. But we'll let it ride nevertheless. You're sounding American. Why am I sounding American? Hi, what is this app called? This is Alpha Futures. Do we include in giveaway if we use that code before purchasing an account? Huh? You have to use the code to purchase an account. You can't just like use the code and not purchase anything. Oh. Guys, we're getting cooked. 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 We're getting ripped tonight.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. that.
What is he gonna say?
Hannah's getting crazy.
Is it tonight?
Are you profitable only off equities open? I'm not profitable.
Profitable though.
No, you're not.
That's why I'm not taking a trade.
Alright.
Look, I'm far from it. I'm scared of taking a trade in front.
I'm not, but I just take the wrong one. To be or not to be. Guys, we're cooked. We're totally cooked. Who's ready for the order filled? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready?
Oh, you're telling me I probably could have shorted.
Who's ready? Who's ready? Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Oh, order filled.
R.I.P.
R.I.P.
to that squirrel in the tree.
Squirrel in the tree.
L
L in chat. L in chat. L in chat. That was high key be a nice setup for shorts. Like actually looking back, that's really nice for shorts down to this low. Okay. Never enough. Never enough. Okay, I'm just gonna screenshot this to put into the Discord, and then I can journal that later. I love it how everyone gives me trading advice. As soon as I go into drawdown, everyone's like, why did you take that? But while I'm like in profit in the trade, no one has anything to say.
Yeah, can you all just be like, it's okay, Claudia, like, you're a good trader, you take losses, everyone does. Say something nice, you know? It's free to be kind. Yeah. Why did you go long when it went? Shh.
Bruh.
You should have seen my trade yesterday. Bruh. I targeted stop loss.
Okay. Let's do the giveaway. It's getting a bit late. I'm really hungry. So let's do the giveaway. Okay. So if you want to enter today's giveaway, to win a 100k standard alpha futures evaluation, all you have to do is comment Claudia trades in the chat. Do not comment it more than once, otherwise you won't win.
Who's that on the left? Hannah trades.
It's Hannah trades on the left. It's Hannah trades.
All fans for real. Yeah, Alan, you're so right.
I've not forgotten your extra entries, don't worry. Got them. I've got them.
Young, sad and tripping. You're tripping. You're sad. Maybe you're young as well. Don't be a loser.
Don't be a loser. Never enough. Guys, if you comment more than once, just know that your entry will not be included. I just want you to know that. Alan will get annoyed at you.
You don't want to be on the bad side.
You don't want to be on the bad side of Alan now, do you? Fucking Izzy shorted.
Oh!
Fuck you, Izzy. You're too good at trading. It annoys me. It annoys me. Never enough. So right now, Alan is just collecting the list of names of people who are entering the giveaway, and then he will send me the list and I will put it in a random spinner of some kind. Yeah.
Do the duck race again.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the duck race. Duck race was really, really, really fun. This is going to take Alan a while, so please be patient, guys, because there's a lot of you on here. Everyone likes to join as soon as I do the fucking giveaway. Never enough, never, never. How many trades do you take a day? Maximum 1 on my funded account. Maximum 1. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat my sandwich as soon as I get off this goddamn stream. Is that an XFA or an eval? It's an XFA. As you can see, I'm $500 away from blowing the account. This is my one funded account, and then this one is my other one. So this one has a bit more room to go. Hopefully we can start fresh. This was my last trading day of the year on my funded account. So we can start fresh in January. I'm going to work heavily on the psychology in like over Christmas and stuff. Cause your ass done bad with 48.5 balance, aha.
That's really good English.
That's what happens when you try and trade December. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, so what's going to happen is if Get Up Mush 007 comes up, then he's not winning. I'll spin it again. We'll do another whole ass duck race because I refuse to give an account to someone who comments this bullshit. What if other people cheat and use alternative accounts? Unfortunately, I can literally do nothing about that. We just kind of have to hope that they won't. Like, I literally cannot do anything about that.
Mm-hmm. Can you full port news? Open one long? No. People do that though. Apparently. You can't.
Never enough.
It's not allowed.
Never enough. What, in The Dictator? You're funny. You're funny. You're funny. Bring it up. God. Oh, what the hell is going on? Okay, we're just waiting on Alan right now. Everyone be patient. He's got a lot of goddamn names to put in.
It was such a roller coaster. It was.
Ego hurt? Question mark? Or just being funny? My ego's not hurt. I just don't appreciate people commenting useless shit. Like, I like people giving me constructive criticism, which might help me, but people who just comment shit like that, it's just like, bro. What are you doing for Christmas, ladies? Well, we're off out tonight for drinks for one of our friends' birthdays, so that'll be fun. I'm cooking Christmas dinner on actual Christmas Day, so that's going to be chaotic, but I did it last year and it was actually fun, so.
I'm going away. Far, far away.
You're going away?
Yeah. From you. For a couple of days. And then I'll be back here.
Yes. I said that's what you get when you trade December. Saying that's what you get when you trade December is not constructive criticism. It's jarring.
Anyone who says you should or shouldn't trade December are silly.
Yeah.
Do what you want.
Okay. This is the list. Awesome. Right. Jake, your extra entries are in. We've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This is the list of people. We're going to do a duck race because that was so fun when we did that yesterday. So let me just get that up. Duck race.
We will be profitable in 2026.
We will indeed. 100%. I have faith in us. Okay, let's do this list. 30 seconds. Okay, who's ready for the duck race? Whoever wins the duck race wins the 100k standard of Futures Eval. Ready? Go! Go, go, go!
There was a time.
Let's see who's winning. Who's winning? Who's winning? Okay, someone's coming through.
Ooh! Gosh.
But Hatched Rouge 1593, you win. Hatched Rouge. Rouge 1593. Please join the Discord, which is pinned. It's free, and open a ticket to claim your evaluation. Congratulations. Congratulations. Well done to everyone who entered. I will be back here on Monday giving away another 100k standard evaluation, and I will be trading, but I'll be trading evals and just kind of messing around because I have a feeling price action next week is not going to be great. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream and entering the giveaways, and hopefully I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Oh.